Hello, guys. Here are the phrasal verbs from the airport conversation, along with engaging explanation. Check in. This is when you register for your flight upon arriving at the airport. Example: don't forget to check in at least 2 hours before your flight. 2. Figure out. This means to find a solution or understand something. Example: I need to figure out where the check-in desk is. 3. Check out. This is used when you finish your procedures, like leaving a hotel or the airport. Example: after checking in, I'll check out the duty-free shops. 4. Get through. This means to pass through something, like security or customs. Example: make sure you get through security quickly. 5. Drop off. This means to leave your luggage or someone at a certain place. Example: I need to drop off my luggage before heading to the gate. 6. Take out. This means to remove something from your bag, like a laptop or liquids. Example: don't forget to take out your laptop before going through security. 7. Go through. This is used to indicate the process of passing through something, like security. Example: you'll need to go through security checks before boarding your flight. 8. In my carry-on. This phrase refers to items you keep with you on the plane, rather than checking in your luggage. Example: I always keep my important documents in my carry-on bag. These phrasal verbs are commonly used in airports. Let's dive into the conversation between Jason and Sarah.
Hey, have you checked in for the flight yet?
Not yet. I need to figure out where the check-in desk is.
It's over there. Just look for the signs.
Thanks. I'll go check it out. I hope I don't miss the flight.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Just make sure you get through security on time.
Right. I also need to drop off my luggage after I check in.
Exactly. And remember to take out your laptop and liquids before going through security.
Got it. I'll make sure to pack those in my carry-on.
Good idea. By the way, have you looked up the boarding gate number?
Not yet. I'll check the screens after I check in.
Sounds like a plan. Just keep an eye on the time.
For sure. I really don't want to run to the gate like last time.
Ha ha ha. Yeah. I had to run to catch my flight. It was so stressful.
Yeah, that was a hectic experience. I remember you rushing through the terminal.
Great idea. Just don't lose track of time.
I'll definitely avoid that this time. Once I check in and drop off my luggage, I'll grab a coffee.
Smart move. If there are any delays, you'll be prepared.
I won't. I'll also look up the flight status to make sure everything's on schedule.
You'll have it. Just take it one step at a time.
Exactly. I just want a smooth travel experience this time.
All right. Good luck. I'll meet you at the coffee shop afterward.
Sounds perfect. See you soon.